The CBI has allegedly found 4 major lapses by the Mumbai police in their investigation of Sushant Singh Rajput's case. The CBI, which has now taken charge of the case, has been working round the clock to look into various aspects of this highly complicated matter. These are 4 major lapses that have been alleged by sources within the CBI. The CBI teams have hit the ground running and have been digging deep, unearthing unfortunate truths, but along with that, they've also seemed to unearth possible lapses in the investigation, which unfortunately could shed a very negative light on the sincerity and honest work of the Mumbai police and some of the officials who were investigating the case. Here's the story. Number 1. The manner in which Sushant's mortal remains were handled is suspicious, claim forensic experts, and the CBI has found lapses in the autopsy report of the late actor. Number 2. The sanctity of the crime scene was not maintained. Number 3. The CBI is investigating if leniency was shown to certain individuals or if irrelevant people were summoned for questioning. Number 4. They feel that while they kept investigating professional rivalry but didn't consider possible foul play and focus on that during its investigation. The CBI has made multiple visits to Cooper Hospital ever since their arrival in Mumbai and have discovered some glaring lapses in the procedures that were conducted by the forensic team and the team of doctors who conducted the autopsy on the actor's mortal remains. After they asked experts from AIIMS to re-examine Sushant's post-mortem and autopsy reports, it was pointed out that his autopsy reports had no time stamp. It is being alleged now that there was a delay in conducting the required procedures, and since over 6 hours had passed before any examination was made, vital evidence may have been lost. The CBI has also allegedly questioned officers of the Mumbai police as to why a second opinion from doctors or experts was not taken on the autopsy of the late actor. There are also allegations that the sanctity of the location where Sushant passed away has not been maintained. Allegedly, multiple people were allowed to enter the apartment, and that there are also allegations that they seem to have been in a hurry in cleaning and painting the home before returning it to the owners. While the Mumbai police claim to have spoken to at least 60 individuals, including high-profile filmmakers, actors, and journalists, the CBI feels that many of these summons were irrelevant. There are worries that these endless interviews may have caused huge delays and also allowed crucial evidence to be destroyed. They are also investigating if any leniency was shown to certain individuals or if there was a failure to properly interrogate people like Siddharth Pithani or Sandeep Singh, who are now being looked at closely by the CBI. There is also a concern that an assumption has been made too soon that the actor caused his own demise, and a possibility of foul play was not looked into seriously by the Mumbai police. It's unfortunate that after over 2 months of the actor's demise, such alleged lapses are still coming to light. Such allegations cast a shadow on the entire investigation so far and only further complicate an already delayed process of finding the truth and ensuring justice for the late actor and the closure to his family.